Hi guys, how are you doing? You are still learning and working from home during coronavirus pandemic? Or everything there is mostly back to the new normal? Anyway, I hope all the best for you, okay? You know what? A lot of English students find understanding English very hard, and that makes them very frustrated. Speaking in English, but they may hit a blow when they are trying to understand either natives or audios. That is why today I'm talking about the problem and give you some tips that I think they are very useful, especially the last one. The first one is patience. I know it does not help you when you want to understand now, but time is everything, okay? Give yourself that. The second one is to relax and not try to understand every single word, because it is impossible and takes lots of time and practice. Start focusing on the words you recognize and try to make a story of the context, okay? That's what I did all the time when I learned Mandarin. And sometimes the story will be nothing like the person is telling you, but that's what it is. And the last thing is music. Music is the answer for almost everything. But not just listen to music, treat it as an exercise. Go to YouTube or choose an English song with lyrics, okay? So, write down words, only words you recognize. You can listen to the song a couple of times or more. There is not a limit, okay? And the next times you listen to it, try to make sentences, fill the gaps in between the words you already have, and then compare the words or sentences on your paper with the lyrics of the song. It looks take a lot of work, but it works wonders on your listening skills, okay? So, do you find the tips helpful? Have you ever tried these tips before? Have you ever overcome this problem? So feel free to share how you did it with us, okay, by commenting below this video. And we're looking forward to hearing from you. So I think that's enough for this video, and see you soon. And bye for now.